Hello, we're going to be doing Chapter 6, Lesson 11 today, which is Solve Multiple Step Word Problems. So some word problems require more than one operation to solve, so we really have to read and understand what they're asking and come up with the equations to find those answers. Let's begin with example 1. Jada's family bought memberships to the recreation center for a year. It costs $532 for 4 regular memberships. A deluxe membership costs an additional $35 per membership. How much does a deluxe membership cost? So first we need to find out how much these memberships cost, just a regular membership. Then once we have that found out, we will add the $35 additional price onto that to find out how much the deluxe membership costs. So let's begin by dividing the hundreds first. And we can divide 5 by 4 one time, 100, into 532. 1 times 4 is 4. We subtract, compare, yep, that's smaller, and then bring down the next digit, the tens. So I'm going to divide 13 by 4, and that would go in about 3 times. Then I go through the steps. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract, compare, and 1 is less than 4, so I can bring down the ones, and I have 12. I just did that, so I know that it's 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12, subtract, and there's nothing left. So my quotient is 133, but this is just the cost of the regular membership. For it to be the deluxe membership price, I'm going to have to add another $35. So I'm going to add 133 plus 135. I'm going to add my ones, add my tens, and my 100. So the price of the deluxe membership is $168. So we had a couple steps there. Remember that the parentheses are going to be done first in our order of operations. Let's take a look at example 2. Devin's family went snowboarding. Tickets cost $25 for kids and $30 for adults. Helmets cost $10 each. There are 3 kids and 2 adults in Devin's family. Everyone in Devin's family is getting a ticket and a helmet. Suppose they pay with $200. How much change will they receive? That's a lot of things going on in here. So let's just take it step by step, okay? If we know that the kids' tickets cost $25 and we know that there are 3 kids, we're going to have to multiply 25 times 3. 25 times 3 equals $75. So then we're going to find out the cost of the 2 adults. Let's see my basic fact. 2 times 3 is 6, and it's in the tens, so 60. And then everybody needs a helmet. And it says that the helmets cost $10 each. So I'm going to do 10 times 5, which is 50. So now I've got all of my prices pretty well mapped out, but I'm going to have to add them together to find out what the total cost is. So 75 plus 60 plus 50, 5, 11, 18. So the total cost is going to be $185. But the question is asking how much change are they going to receive. So I'm always going to go back and look at that final question to see what they need to know. And they paid with $200. So the final cost was $185, but they paid with $200. Whoops. So I'm going to need to subtract that out. Well, I can do across zeros. I saw that it was just 15 because I was thinking 185 plus 15 more would be 200. I did it backwards. I did addition up. So there's going to be $15 change. So Devin's family received $15 in change. It's a lot of work to go through these problems, and you really have to look at all of the different information and think to yourself, what is it asking me? What is it looking for? Especially at the end, what is the final problem that the equation or the word problem is asking? All right, good luck with the rest of these.